Hi friends, in previous tutorial we have seen how to print 1 to 5 using for loop. In this video tutorial we are going to achieve same result but using while loop. So how do we are going to use? So how we are going to print 1 to 5 using while loop? Very easy. First declare the first value, variable I is equal to 1. Then while I is less than equal to 5, print to the console.log value I. Okay, print the value of I, and once a loop completes, increment the value of I with 1 by 1. Okay, let's run this. See, we got same 1 2 3 4 5 values. Okay, so this way using while loop we can print 1 to 5. Let's do one more exercise. Let's print from 5 to 1. What I mean is print 1 to 5 in reverse order. 5 4 3 2 1. So here we need to change this value to 5 and the condition would be I greater than equal to 1, sorry 1, and at the end of each loop decrement the value of I. Okay, let's save this and run this. See, we got 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this way we can use while loop to print values in a loop. Okay, if you have any questions related to while loop, feel free to comment. I'm going to meet you in next video tutorial with another important topic, arrays. Very important topic. Okay friends, thank you.